Welcome to Silly Sylvie, a channel where we explore valuable financial wisdom suitable for the whole family. Today, I'd like to share my personal journey of saving $10,000 within the first year after my graduation. It might sound ambitious, but with the right strategy and mindset, it's entirely achievable. To put it in perspective, that's a whopping 50% of my annual salary. Stick around because I'll break down the steps I took to reach this financial milestone. 1. Clear goal setting. Begin with a clear and specific goal. In my case, I aimed to save $10,000 within 1 year after graduating. This goal provided direction for my savings journey. Why did I set such a goal at this stage in my life? I owe this to my parents, who instilled in me a frugal financial mindset from an early age. They led by example, maintaining an emergency fund to handle unexpected expenses. So, when I entered the workforce, I wanted to save $10,000 within a year to create a financial cushion for unforeseen events and future investments. 2. Structured plan. To achieve your goal, create a structured plan. Break it down into smaller, manageable steps. Outline your monthly savings targets, expenses, and income sources. It's crucial to visualize your income and expenses. I recommend using budgeting apps for this purpose. They offer diverse charts and graphs for tracking progress. Most apps are free for essential functions. For security concerns, I didn't link my bank accounts automatically to these apps. I preferred manually inputting my income and expenses. One budgeting app I've used for over a decade is Whopping. It's not available on Google Play, but there's a similar app called Money Manager with a comparable style. There are many free and good budgeting apps you can choose from. Remember, the primary consideration when choosing a budgeting app should be security and stability, which you can gauge from download counts and ratings. 3. Consistency. Consistency is key to long-term success, whether it's financial success, fitness, or business. Stick to your savings plan and make adjustments as necessary. Small, consistent efforts yield substantial results over time. Understand the significance of daily decisions in your savings journey. Just as we've discussed in previous videos, daily small expenses can accumulate into significant costs. Conversely, small everyday choices can lead to substantial savings over time. For example, by brewing my coffee at home instead of buying it daily, I managed to save approximately $180 per month. Of course, implementing this strategy effectively requires consideration, as we'll discuss in point 7. Moreover, reducing the frequency of dining out, drinking more water instead of sugary beverages, and adopting healthier habits can fatten your bank account while keeping you fit. 4. Side hustles. Exploring side hustles can significantly boost your income. Consider selling items online or freelancing. Since college, I haven't asked my family for a penny. I covered my tuition, living expenses, and travel costs with the money I earned, including a portion from scholarships. 5. Financial education. Equipping yourself with financial knowledge is essential. Learn about budgeting, investing, and compound interest. Knowledge empowers you to make informed financial decisions. Fortunately, I had the privilege of witnessing my parents' financial wisdom from a young age. Additionally, I pursued degrees in business and finance during my undergraduate and graduate studies. Even after entering the workforce, I continued to educate myself about financial concepts through books, but upon entering society, I realized that not everyone shares the financial literacy I had. This awareness of people's financial struggles motivated me to promote financial literacy and create this channel, fulfilling my desire to make a positive impact. If you find yourself in a different financial situation, don't worry. You can subscribe to my channel and enhance your financial literacy. 6. Visual reminders. Visual aids are powerful motivators. Whether it's a money-themed wallpaper on your phone, sticky notes, renaming your e-banking account as 10K, or setting your virtual account as Little Goal in your budgeting app, these serve as constant reminders of your savings objective. 7. Avoiding debt. During your savings journey, steer clear of accumulating unnecessary debt. Commit to living within your means and avoid using credit for non-essential expenses. It's crucial to emphasize avoiding consumer debt. The danger lies not just in the interest itself, but in the habit it forms, causing your debt hole to grow deeper. If you have to make a substantial purchase, like the coffee machine we discussed earlier, consider establishing a dedicated purchase fund within your savings goals. However, this requires resisting many temptations along the way. For more details, you can refer to my another video titled Path to Penny Wisdom, A Smart Saving Journey. 8. Celebrating milestones. Celebrate smaller milestones to maintain motivation. Reward yourself when you reach specific savings targets. When I reached $2,000 in savings, I treated myself to a modest celebration to acknowledge my progress. Note, celebrating doesn't mean spending all your $2,000 in one go. It's about triggering dopamine in your brain with a small reward, nurturing a habit of discipline and savings. Even if it's an elaborate yet cost-free celebration with a symbolic gesture, it can be remarkably effective. 9. Reflection and adjustment. Periodically reflect on your journey and adjust your strategy as needed. Life can bring unexpected changes, so stay adaptable. For instance, when faced with an unexpected house repair due to a leak, I revisited my monthly budget, making necessary adjustments to accommodate the expense without compromising my savings plan. 10. Building wealth. As your savings grow, explore opportunities to invest. Consider low-cost index funds or other investment vehicles to make your money work for you. For beginners, I would recommend starting with index funds. However, steer clear of get-rich-quick schemes, including so-called capital guaranteed or low-risk, high-return products or projects. Remember, high returns come with high risks, and protecting your principal is paramount. So that's how I saved my first $10,000 in just 1 year, equivalent to half of my annual salary. It wasn't easy, but with determination, a structured plan, and daily commitment, it's entirely possible. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, a down payment, or a dream vacation, these principles can apply to your financial goals as well. It all starts with a clear goal and consistent effort. If you have your own savings success stories or tips, please share them in the comments below. Let's inspire and support each other on our financial journeys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated.